right? So yesterday we were practicing locations, no? In versus on. And this is necessary to speak correctly. Let's continue working with public transportations, because public transportation is a little different, okay? We have two different types of transportations, no? Do you remember the video?
So, teacher.
So, do you need to watch again?
Yes, please.
Let's watch again. Attention.
Get in the taxi, but get on the bus. Why? Let's find out. Basically, if you move your body up to get on the transport, you use on. Get on the bus. Get on the plane. Get on the bicycle. Get on the boat. If you move your body down to get in the transport, you use in. Get in the taxi. Get in the car. Get in the small boat. But there's an exception. Get in the truck or get on the truck, please.
That's it. If you move your body, you use, comma, use, na. And if you move your body, na, use, na. What is the tip that she is telling us? Who remembers the two tips?
Okay, in is
Do you need to watch again?
in is in interiors.
Oh yeah, but that's about locations, not about transportations.
Okay.
We need to watch again. Watch again. Attention to the girl. Let me check the video. Yes. Attention. Whoops, just a second. It's not working. There we go.
Get in the taxi, but get on the bus. Why? Let's find out. Basically, if you move your body up to get on the transport, you use on. Get on the bus. Get on the plane. Get on the bicycle. Get on the boat. If you move your body down to get in the transport, you use in. Get in the taxi. Get in the car. Get in the small boat. But there's an exception. Get in the truck or get on the truck, please.
Adorable. If you move your body
Up.
Get.
Whoa.
Get.
On.
Again. Very good, Carmen. Attention, Charlie. If you move your body up, exactly.
Use in.
Exactly. Use. Oh, incorrect.
Yes, it's
Carmen,
on.
is it contrary?
Use on.
Aha.
Yes, it's on.
Use on.
If you move your body down,
If you move your body down,
use in.
Use in. Ta-da! That was the correct answer. So, bicycle. Do you move your body up or do you move your body down?
Up.
Exactly. You literally do this. This is, I get on my bicycle because I move up. But then in taxi, what do you do with your body? You?
In. Taxi. In the
Exactly.
taxi.
Because I move my body.
In.
I repeat, pay attention, because I move my body. Because I move my body. Hello. What happened? Because I move my body. What happened? Hello? Students? Are you there?
Yes, teacher.
So, complete my idea. What happened? Because I move my body in the taxi. I move my body.
Okay, in the taxi.
Aha. How do I move my body to enter the taxi?
I use in.
Why? How do I move my body? How do I move my body?
Get down.
Excellent, Cesar. I move my body down. Ok, interesting. Switch to Spanish. ¿Por qué no entendíamos esa oración? ¿No será la pronunciación de body?
Eso
Body,
sí,
porque
eso sí le entendía, pero yo todavía no entiendo bien ambos contextos, como que me estoy confundiendo.
Ok, ¿en qué?
Es que según yo es si tú mueves tu cuerpo, si tú mueves tu cuerpo por arriba, no. Es que,
Quídale por.
no, si tú mueves tu cuerpo por fuera,
No, arriba.
o arriba, ¿no?
Arriba. Pero no es por arriba.
No,
Es
no, no.
arriba.
Ok, si tú mueves tu cuerpo arriba,
Ajá. Arriba,
es
abajo, arriba, abajo. Como una sentadilla.
ok, si tu cuerpo es tu cuerpo abajo,
eh,
mm,
Ajá.
es que se supone que se aplica el in cuando supongamos que yo estoy moviendo mi cuerpo en una bicicleta o un taxi o en un camión, pero siempre y cuando esté dentro de,
No.
¿no? Ah, ok,
Ok,
es donde me
ok.
confundo.
Ya. Es una vez que entras. No, ok. Get. Get. Do you remember get? Ok, el problema está en get. Ya lo encontré. Ok. So, let's talk about the word get. The word get is, in this case, similar to access or enter. Do you understand this?
Yes.
So
yes.
you don't enter a taxi. You get in the taxi.
sería sí, entrar o accesar hacia, pues, hacia adentro,
Exactly. Meterse.
meterse
Meterse o subirse.
o subirse ujú,
Ajá.
en este
That's
contexto.
right. Ya vi por qué nos estábamos confundiendo. Estábamos pensando en el movimiento después de.
O se, pudiera ser que se pudiera eh, malinterpretar, por decir algo, get es de seguir, ¿no? O de,
Claro.
en otro contexto, pues.
Ujú. Sí, es más, si le quitamos in o on, Caesar. Si no decimos in o on, get significa llegar, get
Yes.
significa obtener. But if you say get in significa entrar
Ok.
o subirse. Get on significa entrar o subirse. What about now? Is it more confusing or better?
I get on the motorcycle.
Yes, that's
Okay.
correct. To get on the motorcycle.
I get on.
Mhm. What else? Give me another, guys.
I get in the bus.
You get in the bus. I
Okay.
know. You
No?
get on the bus because you need to move up.
Okay.
You climb. You go up the bus.
Okay. I get in the house.
You get in the house. Exactly.
Okay.
That's correct. But remember, Luis, the house is not transportation.
Okay.
In this case, get in the house is correct. But we are talking about transport.
Okay.
Do you understand this?
Okay. Yes.
Right? For location is a different thing. Okay? For transportation to go into, you use get in versus get on. Casualmente, para decir entrar a la casa, ahí sí se usa get in y no hay otra opción. Aunque la casa tenga escaleras, tú sigues diciendo get in. That's the reason we only talk about transportation.
Okay.
Mhm. So, an example. Fernando, where do you get a car? Get in or get on? Fernando, are you there?
I'm sorry, teacher. Good night. Get in.
Get in. Perfect. So how do you say
Yes,
entré?
teacher. Get in.
Good, perfect. How do you say in English? Entré al carro. No. Yo entro al carro y pongo música.
Teacher,
Yo sé consigue ser. Yo sé con because he's for Fernando.
okay.
Get in.
Uh-huh.
Uh, um, I get in.
Uh-huh.
Get in the car.
Yes.
And play.
And play.
Mm,
Play what? Play the guitar. Play football. Play what? Fernando, are you there? Okay, connection problems, no? Okay, connection problems. In a moment, we come back to Fernando. Cesar, what's the question? Switch to Spanish, no?
No, it's okay.
Good, excellent. Tell me, what's the question?
Um, in this case, sería play the music.
Yes, exactly. I would say only play music. Eliminate that.
Okay, play music.
That's right. But you had a question, no?
I not remember.
Sorry. I'm sorry, man. I hope you
Okay.
remember next time. So, Fernando, yes. Hello. Fernando 1, Fernando 2.
Sorry, teacher, es que lo que pasa es que me sacó de la clase, pero
Yes.
si quiere la vuelvo a repetir si quiere.
Yes, please. Action. 1, 2, 3, action.
Teacher, ¿me escucha?
Yes, te escucho. Estás frozen.
Okay, I get in. I get in the. I get in. Mm, I get in the car.
Mhm.
Get in the car and play music.
Excellent. You are correct. I get in the car and play music. Very, very good. What about the next one? Carmen, how do you say tomo el autobús a las 6 a.m.? A las 6 de la mañana. Más detalle. Tomo el autobús a las 6 de la mañana.
Okay. I get on the bus
Nice.
at 6 o'clock
At 6 o'clock
in the morning.
in the morning. Very good. Luis, how do you say? Súbete a mi moto in English.
Uh, you get
Mhm.
on the my motorcycle.
Specific. Eliminate the. Perfect. Eliminate the.
Okay, you get on my motorcycle.
You are correct. Very good. Yes, yes, yes. And
Okay.
finally, we have Cesar. How do you say? Me subo al tren después de trabajar.
Yes, teacher. Okay. I get in. I got in the train.
Uh-oh.
I get in train.
In. Because in the train, you move up.
I get up
Mm-mm. If you move your body up, use on.
on the train.
Exactly. Complete.
I get up on the train.
Eliminate up.
I I get on
Yes.
the train.
Uh-huh.
Um,
Después de trabajar.
um, the, after
Ajá.
work.
Perfect. That's correct. There you have it. And finally, Vianney. Are you there, Vianney?
Yes, teacher, hallelujah.
Excellent. Hallelujah. Very good. Tell me, Vianney, do you understand the two options, get in versus get on?
Yes, teacher.
How do you say in English? Me subo a la bicicleta los domingos.
I get on
get-
the bicycle on the Sunday.
Very good. That's correct. That sounds good. Good, good, good. Charlie.
Okay, teacher.
Me subo a un Uber después de la fiesta.
Me subo a un Uber después de fiesta. Okay. I get on the Uber
Incorrect.
after the party.
Because in the Uber, you
After the party.
down. In an Uber, you move down. You move
Okay.
your
Get.
body down.
Okay. Entonces, I get on the Uber.
Yes. A specific
Oh.
Uber or only one Uber?
Only one Uber.
Only one. Eliminate that.
Only one.
What is the
No,
article
okay.
for?
Entonces,
Uh-huh.
Okay, I get on Uber.
How many Ubers?
Uber after the party.
How many Ubers?
One.
One.
Okay.
What is similar to one? Article for one countable things? Exactly, complete. Oh,
okay.
sorry. Uber starts with U. A, E, I, O, U. What is necessary?
At.
Whoa.
Oh, no.
It's different. Similar to
okay.
For A, E, I, O, U. Articles.
Okay. Two?
Incorrect. Articles. We need to go back. We have articles. A, E, I, O, U. Oh, where is it? Here it is. English teachers, A, E, I, O, U. We use
An.
Exactly. It's not a,
Yeah.
it's an. So similar to one Uber.
Okay, yes. See. An Uber.
An Uber, very good.
I get on an Uber after the party.
Yes. Very, very good. There you have it, guys. Get plus in and on. Another application for on
Get in
is very important, the use of modern locations. We use modern locations like digital platforms, TV channels, websites, telephones, and digital devices. Do you understand what is a device?
¿Servicio?
Incorrect, that service. Device. For example, different devices. A cell phone is a device, an iPod is a device.
Equipo, dispositivo, ¿no?
Excellent, that's correct. So devices, we use on. Every time you talk about digital platforms, channels, websites, etc., we use on. So, how do you say in English? Carmen, mi serie favorita está en Netflix.
My favorite series? Say, I don't know.
Oh, interesting. In English, series is always plural. Always plural. Singular series, plural series. Always series.
Series. My favorite series are
Oh, singular.
Is
Perfect.
on is on what? Netflix?
Whatever, on Netflix, on Disney Channel, or whatever.
Okay,
You know?
okay.
Complete
Yes.
fluency. 1, 2, 3 action.
Okay. My favorite series is on Netflix.
Perfect. That is correct. Good. Question. Luis, how do you say vi una película en la televisión anoche?
I watched the movie on TV tonight.
Perfect, almost. Vi anoche.
I watched
Ajá.
I watched the movie on TV
How
tonight.
many movies?
Oh,
How many
okay.
movies?
I watched a movie
Yes.
on tonight.
Tonight is tonight, next,
Okay.
future. What is the contrary for next?
Oh, is
It's right here.
last
Correct.
night. Okay.
Last night.
Okay,
Perfect.
I watched
Mhm.
a movie on TV last night.
Very good. That's correct. Tell me, Cesar, escuché una canción en la radio en la mañana.
I listen to the music.
Mhm. How do you say una canción?
I listen a music. ¿Sí?
Ajá.
A music.
Incorrect. No. Music es música. Canción.
Song.
Song.
Sing, song.
Ujú. Continue.
I listen a song.
Correct. Mhm.
In the morning.
In the morning. Very good. That's correct. Vianney, how do you say vi un video en TikTok?
I watched a video
Yes.
on TikTok.
Correct.
Or yes.
That's it. On TikTok. Easy peasy. And finally, Charlie, how do you say vi la clase en YouTube?
Watch the class.
Who?
Sorry?
Who watched?
I watch.
Yes, excellent.
I watch the class.
Yes.
Repeat question, please, teacher.
Vi la clase en YouTube.
Okay, sorry. Okay, I watch the class in YouTube.
Incorrect.
Okay, sorry, teacher. Okay. I watch the class on YouTube.
That's right. Ta-da. All the digital platforms, all the websites use on. So there you have it. Now, finally, we studied in, we studied on, we have all the information in on. The last information is at. That's very important. Yesterday, you, Luis, had a question. What about at? Well, it's too much information. The word at is used for very specific applications. When you say at, you are talking about specific points in the map. So if you say, where are you? Oh, well, I am at Starbucks. You are talking about a particular specific Starbucks. Probably the Starbucks of the office, probably the Starbucks of the neighborhood. But this is a very specific point. It's different to say in Starbucks, because in Starbucks is talking about your interior, you know? So I can say, for example, contrast. Let me give you a little note. I am at, no, I like to, no, I take my laptop to Starbucks because there is Wi-Fi in the place. Look at the difference between the preposition. Oh, sorry. I take my laptop. No, I work. I work with my laptop. I work with my laptop at Starbucks because there is Wi-Fi in the place. What differences do you observe?
Okay. Sorry, teacher.
No problem. Tell me.
I
Just
can speak
Spanish,
Spanish. Okay,
Yes,
sí.
sure.
Ok, la diferencia es que hablas en que vas a un lugar específico y que vas a ocupar y que vas a ocupar algo adentro de ese lugar
Ok,
o en ese lugar.
para el segundo por ahí vas, pero para el primero no, porque va a ir a es destination. Estás usando el verbo go, ir. Incorrect. With the verb go, we use connector to. So it's not about going. It's about location, verb to be, at. I am.
Sí, o sea,
is.
en un lugar, ¿no? En
Ajá.
un Starbucks, o sea, lo tomo como referencia en que, o sea, voy a trabajar con mi laptop en un Starbucks.
Ok, ok.
Entonces,
Yes.
pero este internet o el Wi-Fi es como
Dentro.
dentro de ese lugar voy a ocupar la red Wi-Fi, ¿no?
I agree. Entonces el segundo, vas bien. In. Yes. El primero, locations, como bien dices, el trabajar en, ¿no?
En algún lado específico.
Exactly. So in that specific place, we use at, like at Starbucks, at the station, at the hospital, at home.
Hospital. Hub. At home. Ok.
You see?
Example, teacher.
Example, Luis.
I I drink beer at Hooters?
Yes, sir.
Be-
That's
because
correct.
because there is good service here, or,
There
or
is good
there is
service
here good service.
dentro.
Okay, there is good service in here.
In here. Perfect.
Okay,
Yes. I drink beer at Hooters because there is good service in here. I like it. Perfect. You see? Now you see the difference. Mhm. Now attention. Look at this. Look at this exception. It's incorrect to say in my home. Because you don't say in the Starbucks, you know?
okay. At work, at
Exactly.
Starbucks, at home. Okay.
And at church. We need to mentalize and memorize these exceptions because when you are talking, we normally say in my home, and this is incorrect, in the church, in the work.
At home.
Totally incorrect. The article the is not necessary for work, home, and church.
I drink coffee at work. At
That's right.
home.
Uh-huh,
Okay.
uh-huh. I drink coffee at work. I drink coffee at home, etc. Let's practice. Okay. Okay, Carmen. Olvidé mis llaves en la casa. How do you say that in English? Are you there, Carmen? Can you hear us?
Yes, teacher.
So,
I is I olvidé is forget? No, I olvidé. I don't remember.
okay,
How do you
example.
say?
You are
Olvidé.
correct. I forget, but what is the past of forget? Do you remember? There's a
Sorry.
forget. The past of forget. Listen
Past.
to this.
Forget. Forgot.
Excellent.
Forgot.
Yes.
Forgot.
Olvidé mis llaves en la casa. How do you say that?
I forgot my keys at home.
Perfect. You are correct. That's correct. Cesar, how do you say hay Wi-Fi en el metro? Hay Wi-Fi en el metro. How do you say that?
Hay Wi-Fi in the
Hay de
metro.
haber en el metro. Pero how do you say
Ok. Yo pensé, dije, pues si ya me lo está diciendo en inglés, bueno, pues hay.
Pues, hay de haber.
Hay de haber, hay de que hay de haber. Hay de... hay de haber. A ver. Here.
How do you say hay de haber? We need help,
Hay,
guys.
hay de haber.
There is.
Yes, correct. There is, Caesar.
There is. There is Wi-Fi. On.
on. Incorrect. Porque no te está
The-
subiendo.
Oh my God.
The subway as location.
Es in.
Location.
Location. At.
At. Complete. Hay Wi-Fi en el metro.
There is Wi-Fi at
Subway.
in
Eliminate in.
metro.
How do you say metro in English?
Metro, okay.
No, that's different. Metro de
Sub,
ediciones.
es que hay subway, um, se me fue el nombre. Subway, pues metro.
El metro. Well, yes. En Canadá creo que también es metro, right? Correct.
Sí, es metro. Bueno, aquí le dicen metro.
Okay. Okay.
O,
Then
o
in that case,
cuando al metro también se le dice subway.
yes. That's the one I expected. Ajá.
Entonces there is Wi-Fi at subway,
Exactly. A specific subway.
in subway,
A specific subway. Article.
in they,
Article.
in
Article in the. But it's not in.
at
Eliminate in. At
subway,
a specific subway. The.
at the subway,
Ah, that's correct.
at
Complete.
the subway, at the subway.
At the subway, brother.
There is Wi-Fi
Yes.
at the subway.
Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Okay, there we have it. Next, how do you say, Vianney? Olvidé mis llaves en el carro.
In present? No, past.
In past.
¿no?
Ajá. Olvidé.
I forgot my keys.
Mhm.
Ajá.
Exactly.
On the car.
Close.
In the car.
Caíste en mi trampa. In my car. Exactly. Because on is together with get.
Yes.
Only with get.
The action.
The action. Exactly. But the location is interior. The keys are in the car.
Yes. Okay.
Again, complete.
I forgot my keys in the car.
Perfect.
Teacher, I have a question. Olvidar, can I use miss or no?
Miss. Ah, okay. No, usually use miss when you say, no pude ver, I missed. O me perdí de, I missed. You know?
Okay.
So, no viste la pelea.
Okay.
You missed the fight.
Okay.
¿Sí? Yes, sir.
Okay.
What's up?
Y si se puede decir I forget.
I forget, but be careful. I forgot.
Sorry. I forget.
Ajá.
I forgot.
Because if you say I forget, es que todos los días se te olvida.
I forgot my membership.
Ajá. I forgot my membership on the table.
Okay.
Mhm. Ah, and that's actually my next question. Okay, one difficult. Luis, olvidé mi celular en la mesa en casa. How do you say that in English?
I forgot my cell phone on the table at home.
Ah,
Easy peasy Japanese.
easy, Japanese. Very good. Charlie, vivo en la calle Homero.
Okay. Live
Who?
I live
Yes.
at the street. Homero?
Incorrect. It's not at.
Oh,
Street.
okay. Sorry. It's on.
Is on exactly for a
Sí, sorry,
specific
teacher. Sorry,
streets.
teacher. Okay. On
Yes.
on street. Okay. Okay. On mine or only on street?
You tell me on what's the name of the street?
Homero.
Homero. So
Okay.
on.
On Homero Street.
Yes, sir. Complete.
Okay. I live on the.
Eliminate the.
Okay. I live on Homero Street.
Excellent.
Okay.
On Homero Street. Guys, at versus in versus on. Do you have any question in, on, at?
I don't have the question.
I don't have exactly.
Me too.
That's okay. Perfect. No problem. The next part is time. Because in, on, at is for time too. When you are questioning about the time, the day, etc., we can say in, on, at. Super important to talk about specific days, specific months, specific hours, etc. Let's take a look. Number one, the connector in is used for specific points of future time, future months, and seasons. Future. So, in 2 hours is future time. Question. Let's go with Carmen. What are you doing in 2 hours?
I sleeping in 2 hours.
Perfect.
Hours.
Very good. I'm sleeping in 2 hours. Let's go with Fernando. What are you doing in the future? What are you doing in the future?
What are you doing in the future? Mm, 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 okay. Um, I
Yes.
mm, mm,
Come on, ask a question. How do you say?
I teacher bueno, es cuando sea grande o puede ser en cualquier fecha
Exactly.
del año.
Cuando sea grande, whatever. Whatever you
Ah,
like.
okay.
This
I
year. Mhm.
I I visit
Okay. Future.
uh,
I am visiting.
okay. I am visiting uh, in November, December,
Mhm.
the uh, um the cruises uh mm, teacher, how do you say? Bueno, no sé si sería igual cruces Nuevo México en inglés se dice así o
Yes, the names of cities don't change. Never.
okay. I am visiting in oh, in November, December, mm, de Cruces Nuevo México.
Perfect. I will say New Mexico. Ajá. Cruces is normal, but New Mexico, yes, in English.
Okay.
Ajá. But anyway, that's correct. That's perfect. And it's in September, in October, similar to this example. In September, December, no? You said. Mhm. Very good. And then you have other examples: summer, winter, spring, etc. For plants, we use in. The difference is for specific days. So how in Spanish we have el viernes, el lunes. Y cuando quieren traducir el, dicen the. Terminan diciendo the Monday, the Friday. That's incorrect.
Example, teacher.
Example, Luis.
I going I going to run in the mountain on Saturday.
Sounds good. Perfect. Now, I
Okay.
going incomplete. Going, necessary, verb be.
I am going
Exactly.
to run in the mountain
In the
on
mountain, interior of the mountain,
okay
or the surface of the mountain.
on the mountain.
Aha, complete.
Okay. I am going to run on the mountain on Saturday.
Let's go.
Okay.
Exactly. I am going to run on the mountain on Saturday. You see, on for surface and on for days.
Okay. Okay.
Hashtag English. Oh, yes. Let's give a moment to Jessie because she's in the chat. Good night, Jess.
Good night, Dave. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. I will get attendance, please. Thank you. Cesar, hello, Cesar. Good night.
Hello, good night. Yes.
Thank you, Cesar. Good night. Luis, hello, Luis. Good night.
Hello. Yes. Good night.
Thank you, Luis. Hello, Carlos. Good night.
Hello, Jet, good night.
Thank you, Carlos. Vianney, hello, Vianney. Thank you to be here. Good night.
Hello, yes, thank you. Bye.
You're welcome, Vianney. Carmen, hello, Carmen. Good night.
Hello, yes, good night.
Thank you, Carmen. And Per, hello, Per. Good night.
Good night, Jess.
Thank you, Per. So, thank you, everyone. Good night and see you tomorrow. Go rest. See you,
To me,
teacher.
thank you.
Bye bye. Thank you.
There we go. You say, for example, Charlie. Hago la despensa.
¿Cómo? Sorry, teacher.
Hago la despensa o compro la despensa los domingos.
Mm. Eh, Buy. Okay. I buy.
Yes.
Um. The. Well, how do you say, teacher? Despensa.
Mini exam, eh? You failed my mini exam. We have it.
Pens.
Wash day. Ah, no, it's not here. Weekends, no? It was on weekends. Number 1, brother.
Shopping. Goes grocery shopping.
Exactly. Go grocery shopping is a specific shopping in the supermarket.
Okay.
Eliminate buy.
Okay. Go grocery. Okay. Entonces, go grocery shopping.
Who?
I
Yes.
go. I go grocery shopping. I go grocery shopping. On the
Eliminate that.
so I go grocery shopping on Sunday.
Perfect. My people, we finished for today. All right.
Thank you, teacher.
Very good
Teacher. Good
practice.
night.
See you tomorrow. We continue. Okay.
See you.
Bye
See
bye.
you. Good
See you,
Bye,
night.
guys.
teacher.
Have a
Goodbye,
good
guys.
night.
Bye bye.
Thank you, mister. Have a good night too.
Bye.